been watching the videos from the harder season so far, it is the next day. We just got done picking beans yesterday. Last night I worked till 11 o'clock, getting the combine ready, getting it switched over. This morning got the head hooked up, got that ready, and now we're picking corn. Because corn is dry. It is 13 to 18% already, and it's October 5th. So I want to get it all before it gets any drier. And we got wheat to plant still. Got a soil finish it. My brother took the plug last night. You didn't see that. So we don't have our seed yet. So there's my fertilizer guy that is selling me the seed is slow. Okay. He's forgetful. That's what he is. Not slow, he's forgetful. But anyways, I picked a little bit of the wetter corn. The corn that tested at like 18%. And I just kind of went on the outside. We compared our tester to the elevator's tester, and our tester read 18.8 both times, and the elevator's tester said 17.8 and 17.5. But see, that's right on the outside, right by, right next to the road. So that's getting a lot of wind and sun all the time. So that's gonna be drier in the middle. Middle's probably still gonna be 18 or 18 and a half yard or better. So I said, well, fuck, if our tester is a percent higher than what orthogos is, then the stuff that I tested yesterday that's 13% is perhaps 12. And I want to get that off. I don't care. That means I don't got to run the bin fan at all. I just put it in there and leave it until I take it out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to worry about picking that 18% corn yet until we get all the dry corn off. I mean, the corn is still going to be a good moisture when we go to pick it anyways, take it over to orthogo. I'd like to pick it out like 18% or so still. Fucking tractor, because... Ah, my goodness gracious. Thank you. Well, if you get it too wet, then you're getting docked too much for it. And I don't want to get docked too much, because it's still plenty really. If I can let it dry down a little bit, then I'm going to let it dry down a little bit. So. Oh my goodness, this tractor. Well, we're going to start over here at the home farm down by the bottom, by the creek. That's not solid. It's not going to handle the long corn here, but it's fine. Well, we're going to start down by the creek. Because that'll probably be the wettest of the dry stuff, if that makes any sense. So, it's about 4:30. We should be able to get a decent amount of corn in the bin tonight. Should keep at it. Alright, excuse the mess, it's not there. But I got the first little sample of corn, and I'm going to take into account that tester is a little high. Little green arrow. Four. Boom. Hopper, brush, 18.2. So if that's a percent high, then it should be like 14. But I'm gonna retest it because my phone messed up. So that might have threw the testing off some. Oh boy, I gotta try to make it in here. Hold on 1 second. All right, fill hopper. Boom. Hopper's filled. Pour. Boom. Remove hopper. Brush. $17.6. Alright, so that's fine. That goes in the bin. It's right on the bottom. Run the fan for a little while. It'll be fine. So I'll try and fit it in the cup and go throw it back in the hopper, and we'll unload it. Like I said, this tester's a little high, so it's probably 17, which is fine to put in the bin. So. Plus, it's on the outside row. I figured the outside row would be a little bit wetter. That's why we're doing this field first. So my cart's just about empty. Running up in the bin. The auger should be fine. Placement should be fine. So I think we're ready to rock and roll. trying to test the moisture again, come back and go full already. Oh, my second load. But the last one was, what did I say, 18, 16, 17? This one dropped down to 16, 15, 9 already, so moisture already dropped the point. We just got 2 headlamps off. I'm gonna keep testing every load. I'm going to keep going down, but yeah, seems like doing pretty good so far. Oh! Wrong way, dumbass. Boy, that throws up nice. That throws up really nice. Man, is that a nice rig. I took this wagon over to Farm City earlier today. It had like 50 bushel of beans in it. So I took it over the elevator. This guy acts like he could not break it, get the wheel open. He's sitting there. He's trying to fucking open it like this. Like, I can't show him. I can't show him. He's like this. He's got like this. He's trying to open it. Like, this is all you gotta do, buddy. Just fucking give her. You ain't gonna break it. Just give her. Anyway, I can't film too much more because my phone's at 15%. I edited a video today and I put one out. That's why my phone wants a lot of battery, especially putting it out. It takes a while to pick stuff. Golly! It takes a while to upload it on YouTube, so it drains a lot of battery. But anyways, I'm gonna test this load, and then I'm gonna clean the shed while I'm waiting. The shed is a disaster if you haven't seen it. Alright, we're back at her. It's the next day. I know I didn't film much last night because my phone was pretty much dead. It didn't die, it was at 1%. But we got, all together yesterday, we got like 6.5 cartloads into the bin. I can't remember how many we did last night after I stopped filming. Probably 4 or something. Well, moisture is staying right about 16%. So that's still fine. I like putting that in the bottom, close to the bottom of the bin. Now I'll throw the fan a little bit. It's supposed to rain. There's a chance of rain. A little while, really. It was also supposed to rain today, and it didn't rain at all. But it's cloudy, so it looks like a bite. Now that we're picking, it's definitely going to rain. So we just jinxed ourselves. Oh, that's fine. I don't know what I'm going to say. Just cut it.
In to turn the corner on special teams, making that aspect of the team impactful.
Alright, well, it's kind of starting to rain. It's not raining bad, it's just sprinkling. I looked at the radar and there's more rain coming. It's not a lot, but it's enough to kind of mess it up. Not like too wet to pick, just the corn getting, damp. I don't really want the corn to get damp before I put it in the bin. I don't want it to get moldy. So I threw the tarp on the grain cart, and then my brother, he's just gonna finish that field that we're in. He's got a hopper left there probably, so texted him, told him to finish that field up and come bring the combine back, put it in the shed. Then just open it up. I close the bin up. You ain't gotta worry about corn getting too wet before I put it in there. It's not going to be too wet. I just don't want it to get damp before I put it in there. I don't want it to get moldy. So it'll probably be alright just letting the fan run, but I guess there's definitely more coming, especially to the west there. Really, the phone kind of lights it up more than what it actually looks like in person. You know, in person it looks definitely darker than what my phone looks like right now. But anyway, that'll probably do it for this one. I don't know, this one probably ain't super long. It's probably all messed up. Not too good. My videos are never good. But yep, anyways, I'll probably do it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. We'll be doing the same damn thing more than likely, so yeah, thanks for watching.